Hi guys, I'm back. I get to work some more problems for you from your review worksheet. So this is the the third page of your review worksheet. Okay, so I'm going to talk about Euler's formula. You're going to have some problems like this on your test, so I want to make sure you understand how to do this. These are the ones that are a little bit harder. Euler's formula is faces plus vertices equal edges plus 2. But these are those problems where you have to actually figure out the edges. And we're going to find the number of vertices. So I have 6 square faces. So I already know my faces is 6. So I'll have 6 plus v, because I'm trying to find the vertices, equal edges. So I'm going to figure out my edges. Well, if there's 6 square faces, how many sides does a square have? And hopefully you said 4, because a square has 4 sides. There's 6 of those. So what's 6 times 4? That should be 24. And then we talked about before, when 2 edges come together, they create 1 edge. So if you take that and you divide it by 2, 24 divided by 2 is going to be 12, so there are 12 edges. So then I'm going to put equals 12 plus 2. So 6 plus v equals 14, minus 6 on both sides. The vertices would be 8. Okay, here's another one. Same formula. I have to figure out the edges again. So I've got 9 total faces. So 9 plus v equals, I've got to figure out the edges. So if I have one octagon, how many sides is an octagon? I hope you said 8. There are 8 triangles. So how many sides is a triangle? There are 3 sides to a triangle, and there's 8 of those. So that would be 24. So 24 plus 8 is 32. But remember, when 2 edges come together, they create 1 edge. So we have to divide that by 2. So the edges would be 16. So I've got 16 plus 2, so 9 plus v equals 18, minus 9 on both sides, vertices is 9. So those are kind of hard. All right, you got a couple problems where you have to figure out the cross section. So on this one, if you take a piece of paper, I want to know that flat surface. If I take scissors and cut around that paper, what shape would be left on that paper? And on this one, it would be a circle. This one, it would be a square or a rectangle. So that's that. Okay, now we got volume problems. So I'm going to erase all this. And we're going to find the volume. So I have my formulas here. So to find the volume of a pyramid, you will be given the formulas on your test. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. So my base is a square. So I would do 1/3 area of the base is 16, 4 times 4, 16, length times width, and then the height would be 3. So I'm going to need to get a calculator, but on this one I know 1/3 of 3 is 1, so that would be 16 millimeters cubed. So I'm going to pause this so I can get a calculator.